What's going on, everybody? My name is Tyler with the Not Twins Fishing YouTube channel, bringing you guys day 3 here on the Salt River fishing for trout. Let's jump right into this video. If you missed the first or second, don't worry, they're not like a series. It's just 3 days at the Salt River, all catching trout, all doing the same thing. So make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and let's jump right into the fish. Whew. Yeah.
You're not gonna believe this.
Good job, Jeff.
Awesome, thank you. You got good? You got a fish big enough? Really? Are you there? I just got it.
That's a decent one too, Chris. That's a good one, bro.
My biggest trout.
Like, what's up?
Nice job, JC.
Bobber and worm.
Bobber and worm. What's going on, everybody? My name is Tyler with the Not Twins Fishing YouTube channel, bringing you guys another trout video here at the Salt River in Arizona. Today we got a whole bunch of people. We're gonna all try to hit our limits with 4 trout each. We're gonna try to bring a big stringer home. So let's get you guys strapped up on the GoPro. Let's get the fishing poles in the water and let's catch some trout today. Let's get her going. Yeah, get it, Jeff. That looks like a good one.
So cute.
Heck yeah, man. Starting it right. See, Jeff? You got a fish.
See him.
Oh, nice. What kind of fish is that? Trout?
Trout.
Yeah,
Nice.
that's what we're here for.
Cool. Number 1.
Yeah.
Oh.
Tip broke?
That sucks.
His line just snapped.
That sucks.
Gotta go $6.
What'd you throw out?
My lighted bobber. Oh.
Smile
How's it going?
How's it going, man?
Smile and wave.
What's up, Bundy?
I bet you're warm, huh?
I am warm.
So,
My nephew's on that side if you wanted to go there or whatever.
all right, bro. How you doing, man?
Doing good.
I follow you guys on Facebook, on YouTube.
You're the one that was
Hey,
talking
good.
about JC the other time.
Oh yeah. Hey, which one of you is the one that fell?
Me, I'm the one that fell in.
I showed my daughter last night. You can see these guys. I'm supposed to meet them tomorrow. Hopefully,
This guy always has his camera on, no matter what. One time he doesn't put his fucking camera on, I fall in with my camera on.
Sorry, no, man, bro. I'm gonna go up here and set up real quick, and
That's fine. If you want to enter or whatever.
I want you guys to get mad at me when I start catching all the fish, right?
Hell no.
Okay, no, I'm just
Our limit's like 30 with how many people we got, so.
all right. Oh, is that it? I only catch like 25 to see one. 4, 5, that don't work.
That sounds good to me.
Oh yeah, an actual fan.
That must make you feel good.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You guys are cool as hell, apparently. Damn, I didn't know that.
Yeah, me neither.
That's news to me.
News to me.
Dude, I want my bobber back.
How do you get your waders on?
You can't go that
I
far.
know. I know.
Wait and see which way the current goes, man. Just pay attention to where it's at.
Oh, I will.
Oh, he'll get his $6 back.
That's $6 and I ain't losing, bro.
Caitlin, you got 3 already.
I know. I know. I'm just sitting here, not touching a single pole, and fish just keep magically appearing on that. Look at him go.
Hey, I brought her to increase my number, not yours. Wait, what's going on here?
I was hoping you didn't notice that.
He's doing really good, though.
He's getting out there.
He's getting out there. He's really nice.
Yeah, I like Jeff.
Hey, your bobber's getting hit, Tyler.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
That's f***ed up.
That is
That's f***ing...
That's so funny. Oh, look at you go. Woohoo!
Damn it,
It's
bro.
all about the waders. That's all it is.
There it goes again.
That
No.
That's
That's some bullshit.
What? No, let's call Minnows.
Oh wow. I like the color of your fish.
Dude, that's some bullshit. I want my fish
I
back.
like the color of your fish. Oh, okay, you release yourself, buddy.
Yeah.
Into the wild.
Damn it! Damn it!
What?
Oh my god, I can't.
Son of a bitch, bro.
That bobber's getting. Did you get that on video?
Guys,
That is so funny.
my bobber that snapped off.
Maybe the fish will bring it back to you.
Hey, come this way, buddy. I'll slap the waders on and get in there.
They're starting to hit though. They're starting to bite. So they're starting to hit though. That was funny as bro. That was like hysterical comedy shit, bro. Your minnow got smacked hard.
3 times in a row.
The wife said the same shit. She knew it was me. She wouldn't have bit it either.
There's my fish, mother. Come on, baby, get in here.
My hands are frozen.
Oh yeah.
I'll tell you that. One thing I will tell you is
That's a decent
It's a
size.
baby.
That's a decent.
That's a decent one.
Okay.
also keep your slack.
Baby.
What you mean? He's a good one. That's a good
You
one.
like the way it feels in your
When
hand?
they smack that shit,
It's cold as
not too much slack.
Let me feel
Fucking
it.
miss one.
Check it out. He has a big one.
That's coming from the wife.
Your wife is telling you you have a big one, huh? Is that how she gave you 2 kids? Is that how she gave you 2 kids?
I didn't feel it. With your big old fish. Oh wow, he is cold. He didn't like when I touched him. Oh shit. He really didn't like when I touched him. He said, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
There goes my line.
Did you just break it?
Yep.
Yeah.
I got it.
Ew, he feels really gross. Oh wow, you can see inside their platelets.
He's bigger than yours.
Size doesn't always matter though, too.
It's about the motion, not the size.
Yeah. I was just telling you what an asshole you were, bro. Yeah.
You ready?
No.
Just one.
My hands hurt.
I'm sorry. That's the one.
It's gonna hurt even more once I do this.
Be careful.
Tyler,
Yeah.
you're still on that bobber, yo.
Dude, I see that. It's in front of you now.
Me's still on there.
I want it.
The bobber. Yeah, we gotta get that bobber, but your fish is hooked it.
Dude, I see him. He swallowed that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
His fish
Oh
is
my god.
his fish is still on that bobber, so whenever we get that bobber, there'll be a fish on it.
Do I keep fishing or am I done?
No,
Keep fishing. You're not done.
we got like at least 30 limit, bro.
Yeah,
All of
you
us
keep
out here.
catching.
So is it 4 per
taking more.
person?
We'll
Is
take
that how you
it.
calculate it? Okay.
Yeah, you sure? Hell yeah. Well, keep.
No, you don't
If
stop
they
till
come
we
asking
leave.
questions, you just put those on for me, and I got them. Now I'm sitting down.
You're good. All
We
of
can
us are
take
fishing.
12.
That's my limit.
She hit 4. She's already done
That's
fishing.
my limit. Yep, I'm done fishing now. Now you get to fish.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
See?
It was a lot of hard work. Those are all decent size too.
Are you trying to catch the bobber?
It looks like it. It looks like it. He wants
I
the
tried to
fish.
hook it a minute ago.
You can have the fish. I just want my bobber back.
Hey, not swing guy. I don't know who's this.
I love that though. You should call them that more often.
Hey, naughty twin guy.
Hey, you know what, man? Why not? But it might.
Oh.
Probably a good idea.
You know what? I'm getting the water right now.
Oh,
I'm gonna make them all look just silly because I don't need waders again.
my bad. Get your fish.
You didn't get one.
Yeah, he did. I watched his bobber drop when I casted right near right. I casted him.
Week 10, he'll get in the water and start catching them.
Apparently, that's the goal today. You were doing your little jig.
Damn it.
You gotta do your jig in the water. Whoever he is, right?
If you guys are, even if you guys care now, I'm gonna tell my birthday's in January.
I'm gonna try to come hook this mother trucker.
He's trying to catch a ball before you right now.
I know, he keeps moving closer to you guys though. Not with that, I'm not. Oh, you got a fish? Come on, catch it.
You got it.
You got it?
Hey!
Hey!
Come on, slow and steady. That's my $6 back, baby! No, he took it. I got my bobber back. Oh, yeah.
That's so funny. I'm glad you got it.
What, did it just like stick to your line?
No, I tangled it up.
Oh.
Yay, I'm glad you got it. I know there's no fish, but they got bored after a while.
What's up, Jeff? What's up, JC? What's up? This is Pops, everybody.
We know Pops.
His name's John, so, you know.
Pops it is.
For y'all to remember. I call him Captain Daddy-O.
Captain Daddy-O also works. Get over here, bro.
What's up, man? I don't want to hit your GoPro.
I don't want you to get wet.
It's all good.
Just out there in the water.
It's all good.
Like third cast, bro. Snap! There goes the bobber flying. I was like, oh. And then it just, dude, it was getting hit like crazy. It was moving this way, moving that way, dipping down. I was like, so everybody was trying to.
Alright, you got it. You got it.
JC was like, put your damn waders on. You just got them. Get in there. I was like, all right, well, fine, I will. He's right here. He's right here by JC.
JC's got it.
That is a really nice one.
And it's beautifully lip hooked.
Oh!
Flip my hook. Careful, there's a hook up front.
Oh boy. Yeah, that's a nice one.
It is nice.
Nice, Jeff.
Found one. Found one. I found one too.
How many do you have now? 6.
Huh?
That one's really pretty too. I always see them when they're dead, so I like
Probably
to see the colors.
18 inches? About a foot and a half?
That one's probably the longest.
Oh my.
Oh really?
Uh huh. That's one. Oh, who?
That one's up there too.
Uh huh.
Yeah, that was.
That's a nice one.
Mine. Yeah.
Oh my god, they're like little f***ing clips for your shower curtain. Except for a fish.
Yeah.
That's the only like, kind of comparison I can think of.
Oh, Tyler, really?
What?
That's me, man.
Yeah? Oh yeah.
Can't take skinny white people anyway.
Oh yeah.
You were reeling in, pulling me.
What?
It's all good.
What?
Sounds like a fish story.
Hey, whose line's next to me?
One of my papas.
Hello. Turn around, the line falls in my hand. All right, Jeff, you might need to leave now. God damn it. Don't catch a fish, you gotta walk home.
Long walk. You guys have caught a fish.
Oh, I just crushed you.
Wait, Chris, does that apply to you too? Chris.
I'm all right. All right.
Hey, Chris. Does that
Shut
apply
up.
to you too?
No one asked you.
Yeah, Jeff, 50 claws. I wanted to restart.
I'll be 48 minutes.
I'm going to keep running, baby. Anyway.
I'm 48 going on 2.
Finally.
The wife says I'm 3.
Uh,
The wife says I'm 3.
I catch it when Tyler and fucking Caitlin walk away. I ripped his lip.
That's nice, huh? Got a little bit of an attitude, huh?
Yeah, because I just cut a hole in his lip. I said, I'm catching this one.
Got him? Hey! Awesome.
Slang. Around you.
Out by Mormon Lake? Yeah. Where I did my elk hunt too. My little brother, he's 33. He's stubborn.
Another one bites the dust.
Gotta get him before he breaks the hook this time.
Oh, I know.
If I wouldn't have been socializing, I'd probably caught up to him.
Yeah, that was nice and clean.
Thanks, sir. Good job, man. That's what, like 3 for you already?
That's 4.
4? Yeah, yeah. I've only got the one.
No, that's 1.
It's the power of editing, dude. Oh. I pulled that right back.
He said nope. That was mid-air hook set.
All right, I'm taking your spot while you're taking that off the hook.
Go for it. Get out there.
What's up, guys? Is that Carlos?
Get him, buddy.
Oh yeah.
Is he a monster, bro?
Stop telling you, little bastard, something.
Hey, it's the second one for me. Oh.
Hey, it looked like you had a fish.
It was a big one. He broke the line.
Yeah, he did. I saw it. I saw it.
I don't think he broke the line. I just
That was like an 8 bro. I saw it. I saw the splash.
He broke the line, bro.
I just think you don't know how to tie.
You can think anything you want, bro.
Hey, bro, you got this there, bro? You need a net?
Don't f***ing say anything.
There you go to your oil.
Hell
It's
yeah.
not the same one, but it is a fish. Wow, so yeah, it like literally doesn't leave. So yeah, but it's more painful for the fish, right?
It's just harder to get out.
Gotcha. Give him a kiss.
Brain damage.
Oh, man.
He's dinner anyway. You think you could taste the brain damage? Hey man.
Come here, fish. Where are you? I'm ready to just
Y'all
go
can
for
see
rocks.
good down there. Let's go.
Oh! That one, guys. Oh, it came off? No, he's still on there. Minnow.
Good.
Oh, hello.
Good job.
Nice. I didn't even notice they got one. My bad.
I missed a couple out over there.
Good job.
Perfect. Lip hook again.
No, I'm okay though.
Would that be too big, Juicy?
Try not to drop this guy for you guys.
I wouldn't use that here. I got a picture.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it for another video here with the Not Twins Fishing. Lots of fish, lots of trout were caught in this video. Everybody just about caught one. Sadly, the wife Caitlin did not get one this time, but she will. She and the kids will be in one of these videos and they'll be catching trout just like we did here today. So remember to like, subscribe, stick around for more content. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.